Welcome, seekers of inner peace, to a journey that can transform your experience of life. In a world often filled with noise and distraction, the wisdom of spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle offers a profound pathway to presence and a deeper understanding of who you truly are. Many of you may be familiar with Tolle's seminal work, The Power of Now, a guide that has touched the lives of millions, encouraging us to find freedom from the incessant chatter of the mind by embracing the present moment. In this video, we will explore how to connect with your inner body as a gateway to presence and how to recognize the various portals that lead us to the realm of the unmanifested, that deeper dimension of being, the source of all life. Our purpose is simple: to provide you with practical insights and exercises that will help you unlock your true self, cultivate lasting inner peace, and tap into the boundless wellspring of consciousness that resides within. So, take a deep breath, settle in, and let's begin this transformative exploration together. Our first step on this journey is understanding and connecting with what Eckhart Tolle calls the inner body. This isn't your physical form as you perceive it in the mirror, but rather a subtle field of energy, of aliveness that permeates every cell of your being. Think of it as the invisible life force within you. Have you ever had a moment where you just felt a deep sense of aliveness, a vibrant hum beneath the surface? That's a glimpse of your inner body. It is always there, but often overshadowed by the constant stream of thoughts in our minds. The key here is to shift your attention inward, away from thinking and towards feeling. Connecting with your inner body can help release emotional blockages. Emotions are often held as energy within the body. By bringing your loving awareness to these areas, you create space for them to be felt and eventually dissipate. Think of it as shining a light into a dark corner. The darkness doesn't disappear by fighting it, but by the presence of light. Similarly, our emotional pain softens when we bring the light of our awareness to it. And perhaps most importantly, connecting with your inner body fosters a deeper connection to your fundamental being, to the presence that is always here, always whole, regardless of external circumstances. It is a direct experience of the stillness and peace that lie at your core. As we deepen our connection with the inner body, we begin to glimpse a realm beyond the physical and the mental, what Tolle refers to as the unmanifested. This is the source of all creation, the eternal, the undifferentiated field of pure consciousness. While the inner body is a primary portal to this realm, Tolle highlights other doorways that can lead us to experience this deeper dimension of our being. One of the most accessible portals is simply the present moment. When we are fully present, completely absorbed in the now, the stream of thinking ceases, and we can experience the underlying stillness of existence. Deep sleep, the state without dreams, is another natural portal. Although we have no conscious awareness during this time, we return refreshed, having touched the source of our being. Spending time in nature can also be a powerful gateway. The inherent stillness and interconnectedness of the natural world can resonate with our own deeper nature, quieting the mind and opening us to a sense of oneness. And then there is silence, not just the absence of external noise, but the inner stillness, the space between thoughts. By consciously cultivating moments of silence, we create an opening to the unmanifested. Notice the pause between each word. In that space lies a profound peace. The purpose of these portals is not to escape our lives, but rather to provide us with direct experiences of our true nature, which is rooted in this unmanifested realm. These glimpses bring a deep sense of peace, joy, and understanding that transcends the limitations of the egoic mind. Integrate these portals into your daily life. Take a few moments each day to consciously connect with your inner body. Practice bringing your full attention to the present moment. Spend time in nature without distraction, and cultivate short periods of silence, simply observing the arising and passing of thoughts without engaging with them. Remember, your true self is not defined by your thoughts, your emotions, or your external circumstances. It is the silent, aware presence that underlies it all. By consciously turning your attention inward, by connecting with your inner body, and by recognizing the portals that lead to the unmanifested, you begin to unravel the illusion of separation and awaken to the boundless potential that resides within. Can you identify moments in your day when you naturally experience the stillness of the present moment? How might you consciously create more space for silence and connection with nature in your life? This journey of self-discovery is an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself, be gentle, and trust in the wisdom that lies within you. If this exploration resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content on mindfulness, spirituality, and personal growth. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May you continue to unlock the beauty and peace of your true self.